How can you make this crazy texture in Blender? Well, luckily, this video will show you. See, if you have an object like Suzanne, you can go to the shading side and look for a beautiful, amazing node called Layer Weight. If you add it and hit Ctrl-Shift on it to preview, might even use a sphere to see that clearly, then you can switch between Fresnel and facing types to see the difference, and the obvious is the contrast between the two on the same blend value. And that can generate quite nice effects. Now, if we add to this layer weight a color ramp node and connect that to the principled color, we can add a couple of shades on the ramp, some contrasted ones like blue and red or green and yellow, just to see that clear while keeping the black on the far left, and move those color sliders on the ramp to see the shift between the three. And that will reflect on a changeable pattern based on from where we look at the model. Same, like if you look at a glass window, it will go transparent from the front, but start reflecting like a mirror from a side view. I can also, right before the base color, drop a noise texture. This will generate a cool effect of colored rings, which we can now control with the noise texture, the color ramp, and the blending value to make it in different shapes. Let's try this time a Voronoi texture instead of the noise one, which is like colored fabric, super nice to play with, especially in weird animations like hallucinations or dizzy effect. The rest is yours to test with. Go with a wave texture, or a brick one, maybe add a contrast on it, or limit the effect with a XY node. The result will sure be a surprise. And that's it. Do like and sub if you're still here by any chance, and keep this from your grandma. She'll probably think you're doing magic. Until next time, stay sharp. Goodbye.